Hello guys, so for this video, we are asked to find the perimeter of a square with side 8 centimeter. But before we will do that, let's first define what is perimeter. So perimeter by definition is the total distance around the outer edge of a two-dimensional shape. So ano yung mga two-dimensional shape? The two-dimensional shape are squares, triangle, rectangle, circle, oval. Those are the example of two-dimensional shape. So now, let's get the perimeter of our square with side 8 cm. So, ang formula po ng perimeter ng ating square ay, or perimeter of a square is 4S. Okay, or 4A, ganun. Ang 4 po dyan is the number of sides sa ating square. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. Tapos yung S po dyan is yan po yung value ng side natin, which is given po dito sa problem na 8 cm. Therefore, we can just plug in 4 times 8 cm. And using your calculator, we can get the perimeter of our square to be equal to 32 cm. So sana po, meron po kayong natutunan sa ating video today.